Hello, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan everyone. Welcome back to my channel Deep's Home Life. If you are a new viewer, please do subscribe my channel. And here I am today again with another recipe, Zucchini Waffles. So let's start. For that you will need 1 cup grated zucchini, half cup grated raw potato, half cup besan chana flour, 3 tablespoons rice flour, chopped ginger chili, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon ajwain, carom seed. Add water as desired and your zucchini waffle batter is ready. Serve hot with some chutney or sauce and enjoy. Thank you for your time. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye. Annyeong. Follow rest of method as you can see.